Okay folks, this is my interpretation of Joe Frank's long hive. I put wheels on mine, got a little work table, place to put my tools. About 3 weeks ago I put 3 pounds of bees in. I have 9 holes. Set the queen on the far left, so bees are using the other ones on the left and on the center. Carolinas. There's my bee box. Back up here we have a gable vent on each end. Just see we got 2 vents down low underneath the entrance. 2 vents here. This is a odd concept. I put cedar shavings in a drawer. I have air vents underneath, and the floor of the hive is perforated with stainless steel. The thought process is cedar aroma will come up and keep mites out. We put individual tops there. Looks like we lost a couple of bees. We left them out. There's our patty. We're going to it. They've been working on comb. Got to get in here and scrape it. There's a sugar feeder. Queen's got to be over here. Bees are very docile, no suit whatsoever. Got my insulation up, my air vents. I can work anywhere from 2 frames to lift them all off. 5/16 bee space clearance, less what I did around this patty. Very happy with this concept. That's from the back side. Guys, I appreciate any comments. If you like, if you don't like. Not that we need to move hives, but it's about 65 degrees, a little cool, but bees seem to be adapting well after being in the hive for 3 weeks. Please comment. Thank you.